Thanks for stopping by PowerPoint first. Today we're going to be looking at a spinning globe with Santa's sleigh. This lesson is pretty much ideal for teachers, persons who have interest in presentation, and of course, persons who want to play these PowerPoint games. And what we're going to be doing looks like this today. You'll be having the globe spinning, and of course, you'll have Santa passing by saying hi as he's on his way to deliver toys. Let's hop right in. We're going to need a blank slide. Prior to this presentation, I would have downloaded these from Bay. Here, just copy that there. We copy them, and these are free on Pixabay. We want to now have it as a full slide. Then we are going to go to Insert Shapes, and we could here just select that circle there. Then we are going to increase the size of the circle. We could right click, format shapes, click here, lock aspect ratio, and then we are going to increase just about to fill this area here. About 114 for me, and 19, not too sure what it will be. And we're going to align. So we're going to align center. We're going to align middle. All right. I think we need to just go up a little bit more. All right, awesome. That should be good. Then we are going to subtract that circle from the line here. Hold the shift key, click on the space, then we're going to click on the circle. We're going to go to format shape. There we go. And we're going to click on merge shape here. And then we're going to move on down to awesome. Now it's time for us to put in the map to make that globe. Now we have duplicated this map, and of course we would have grouped them. This is what we're going to be having. We're going to be having two maps. They're already grouped. We're going to be just moving it a little bit over just to make that a little smaller. We're going to move it a little bit, a little, and we're going to move it a little bit forward here. All right, awesome. Now we're going to click the center back. Center back. Awesome. That's looking good. But then we would not get that effect that we are looking for. So we're going to go to Insert Shape, select a rectangle. Then we're going to click on this here. We're going to pull this rectangle right across the screen. Then we're going to send this rectangle to the back, center back. Awesome. Looking a little better there. It's not all done yet. We need to get this globe moving. We're going to select the globe there. We're going to go to animation, and we are going to add an animation path. We're going to use this line here, and if you observe, it's coming down there. So we need to select the direction that we want to go. That's the direction we're looking for. So now we're going to just extend this here, this red dot path, and we want to have it go across, right across. So we would have carried across first. Awesome. So we want to go to animation here, click on animation pane, come on down here, effect options, take this out, look at timing. Set this to until end of slide, and we want to increase the timing here to about 10 seconds. So we're at 10. What does it look like? We should be seeing something like this upon clicking. Awesome. So that's the globe. Now we're not finished yet. We now have to put in our sleigh. We're going to copy the sleigh here, okay? And we are back to our slide here, and we are awesome. We want to tilt this sleigh a little bit up, and we want to move it out of the pane that is pretty much revolving. Now here is fine. We're now going to go to animation, and again we're going to select animation path. We're going to use the line. Awesome. We don't want it to go in that direction, so we're going to select the direction we want it to go. Awesome. Here we go. Then we want to extend this part. We want to have Santa moving here. Awesome. We're going to select animation pin, and we want to select previous. But we want Santa to go a little bit faster. So Santa is going to go at about 9 seconds, while the globe is going 9 seconds there. Then we want to go in, effect options, mode, timing, till end of slide. Okay, there we have it. But then Santa is in front. We don't want that. All right. So this is what we're going to do. Click on Santa. Right. You're going to select send backward. Not to the back, but backward. If you select send to the back, you won't be able to see it. Let us look at what the presentation will look like now. This is what we're going to have. Now, if you like this presentation, please be reminded to like, share, and of course, subscribe so we can continue to build more awesome PowerPoint first.